What is this?
Cauliflower.
What is this?
Eggplant.
What is this?
Broccoli.
What is this?
Daikon.
What is this?
Zucchini.
What is this?
Radish.
What is this?
Turnip.
What is this?
Tomato.
What is this?
Bell pepper.
What is this?
Cabbage.
What is this?
Cucumber.
What is this?
Celery.
What is this?
Lettuce.
What is this?
Artichoke.
What is this?
Corn.
What is this?
Kale.
What is this?
Onion.
What is this?
Carrot.
What is this?
Leek.
What is this?
Coriander.
What is this?
Mint.
What is this?
Spinach.
What is this?
Yam.
What is this?
Asparagus.
What is this?
Garlic.
What is this?
Green peas.
What is this?
Spring onion.
What is this?
Ginger.
What is this?
Mushroom.
What is this?
Potato.
What is this?
Pumpkin.
What is this?
Okra.
What is this?
Chili pepper.
What is this?
Squash.
What is this?
Beetroot.
What is this?
Bitter gourd.
What is this?
Moringa.
What is this?
Lemon.
What is this?
Watercress.
What is this?
Parsley.
What is this?
Basil.